Once upon a time, in a magical land called Casper, Wyoming, in the kingdom of Natrona, there was a big, bad sickness that made everyone have to lock themselves away in their homes and made businesses shut down.
Roar! I'm gonna make you all sick! Roar!
Just like the other citizens of the kingdom, Princess Riedzelot had to hide away in her own castle, not able to go to school, to the library, or anywhere.
Oh, woe is me! I have to do all of my schooling over the computer and can't play with my friends. And I really miss my fairy librarians down at the magical library. I'm so sad it had to close down. Boo-hoo-hoo!
The big sickness was hiding around every corner, waiting to ruin everything, and you never knew where he might pop up next.
Escher! I'll wait over here and pretend like I'm gone, and when the princess comes out, I'll get her and all her friends too.
The people did their best to keep the sickness away by wearing masks, washing hands, and staying safe distances from each other. The spring passed and the school year finished, and it was finally time for summer. The sickness was still out there, lurking in the shadows, but as time went on, the library and other places started to open again, with caution, so that the big sickness wouldn't come and get their friends.
I'm so glad I get to go to the library again. I'm wearing my mask and I'll make sure I stay 6 feet away from other people so the big sickness won't get me.
Well, hi, Princess Riedzelot. Welcome back. We've missed you. So good to see you.
I've missed you too, Fairy Librarian. I'm so glad it's summertime finally. I can't wait to do the summer reading program. What are you doing for that this year?
Oh, we have something very special planned. This year is going to be completely different than years past. We want to make sure kids and parents don't have any extra stress or hassle from us.
That sounds nice. I have been under a lot of stress trying to do schoolwork from home and making it to all my Zoom meetings. What do you have planned for summer then?
We're calling it a breath of fresh air because that's what we want you guys to have this summer. We want you to still continue to read for fun for 20 minutes a day, but we're not going to ask you to keep track of it at all. Instead, we're going to give you summer fun kits filled with wonderful things to excite your imagination, advance your literacy skills, and have a great summer.
Summer fun kits? That sounds cool. What's in the kit?
There are bubbles, colored pencils, crayons, notebooks, and coupons for McDonald's, Cluck It, Pizza Hut, and Serendipity.
Wow, that's a lot! I'm so excited! Where can I get one of these cool summer fun kits?
You can watch the library's Facebook page and see where we might pop up. We'll visit parks and other places to hand out kits to kids all over town. Or you can just ask your fairy librarian while you're in and we can give you one.
So, can I please have one, Fairy Librarian?
Of course you can, Princess. Here you are.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to get outdoors and have fun this summer.
You're welcome. But remember, Princess, to stay safe because you never know when that big scary sickness will pop up.
Oh, I will.
Very good. Now go enjoy your summer fun kit, make memories this summer, and develop your literacy skills in different ways. And Princess, don't forget, if you can't get down to the library to get books, we've added a lot to our collection on Libby. So download those on your devices at home.
Wow, this is great! Thank you again, Fairy Librarian. I can't wait to get started. Bye! Have a great summer. I'll be back soon.
Goodbye, Princess Reads-A-Lot. Goodbye. Bye.
Get on out of here! You big sickness, we're not gonna let you ruin our summer. Go on now, get! Get! Get!
Goodbye, Princess.
I said get!
And they all lived happily and healthily ever after.